Clashes have intensified near Torit, the capital of eastern Equatoria State, causing fear, displacement, and rising concern among civilians. Fighting broke out on Saturday in the Ifwotu area, southwest of Torit. The battle involved government soldiers from the SSPDF and a joint force of opposition fighters. From NAS and SPLA-IO, the heavy gunfire shocked residents. Many people ran from their homes, seeking safety. Several families are now sheltering at the Our Lady of the Holy Rosary Catholic Church in Torit. Governor calls for calm on Sunday. The governor of Eastern Equatoria State, Louis Lobong addressed churchgoers at St. Peter and Paul Cathedral. He told the public, "You're safe. Please stay calm and continue with your daily activities." But he also warned civilians not to go far into the bushes, saying that security forces are still conducting operations to remove criminals responsible for an earlier attack on Torit on the 18th of November. That earlier attack left 3 soldiers dead, according to the government, but NAS and SPLA-IO claim at least 10 soldiers were killed. The governor accused the opposition of misleading local youth with dangerous propaganda, suggesting they cannot be harmed by bullets. He said, "We proved yesterday that bullets can kill, and we will continue pursuing them until they are completely removed from our land." So far, the governor's office has not released full casualty numbers from Saturday's fighting. Medical sources at Torit State Hospital say wounded soldiers are being treated, but no exact figures were given. Church leaders condemn the violence. The Catholic Church has strongly spoken out against the renewed violence. Father Peter Ben Louis, the Vicar General of the Diocese of Torit, appealed for peace and condemned the suffering caused by the conflict. He described the heartbreaking scenes inside the Holy Rosary Church where children and mothers are huddled together in the cold after fleeing their homes. He also mourned the death of a young army captain, Cipriano Oromo, calling his death senseless and a sign of deeper shared failure. Father Louis said the conflict is also hurting the economy, as insecurity on the roads blocks trade and development. He urged young people to choose peace and constructive paths, reminding everyone that Eastern Equatoria has long been known for peace. Opposition forces respond. Meanwhile, NAS and SPLA-IO issued a joint statement on Sunday. They say the government launched a twin-axis attack on their positions near Torit on Saturday morning. According to their statement, 30 government soldiers were killed. 15 were injured. Many others are missing. Government forces also suffered heavy material losses. On their side, the opposition says, 1 fighter was killed, 4 were wounded. They say they successfully repelled the government attack and remain united in their goal of achieving peace, security, and justice for South Sudan. The government army, the SSPDF, has not yet responded.